In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix access is denied. Please log in with administrator here in your Windows 11 PC the moment you try to open or run a particular program or application in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to select the program or application that you are currently facing an error of opening with. So please make a right click and scroll down and go with properties. So the moment you bring up the properties of that particular application or program, there you can see an option called compatibility. And under the compatibility settings, you can see there run this program as an administrator. So turn this on or check the box, and once you have enabled that, click on apply and then OK, and that way you would be able to fix the problem. Another step that you can do is here at the program or application that you have tried to open, please make a right click and click on run as administrator. In that way you would be able to open or run the program. The next step that you can do is at the start icon, please tap on it. Okay, and from here, please navigate to the upper right side of that. You can see there an option called All. All you need to do is you need to locate for that particular application that you are trying to open or bringing up with. Okay, you just have to locate for it here. Okay, and just have to make a right click. Okay, since I don't have seen my VLC here, no worries for that. Just have to click on this down arrow key and I will be able to see it. So just have to make a right click, okay, from it on the program that you would like to run or open with. Click on more and go with run as administrator. In that way, you would be able to fix the problem. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.